Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram if you can't follow. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first off, go ahead and check your internet if it's properly working. If you're trying to watch this video with the same connection, well, internet is not a problem, okay? So you can just go ahead and try to switch from Wi-Fi or mobile data or even vice versa. Now, to test your internet, you can go ahead and open up a browser and just type down speed test, just like so. And just run any speed test right here. If you can open up a website, well, you're good to go. If not, well, the problem is your internet, okay? So if internet is not a problem, go ahead and find your Instagram app, just like so. If it's currently opened, close it. After that, go ahead and find the app icon, tap and hold. If you're using Android, tap on the information icon. If you're using iOS, go ahead and find the app section and just offload Instagram, okay? Now for Android, tap on storage, tap on clear cache and clear data. Once that's done, go ahead and find your Play Store or App Store. Update Instagram right here. If there's an update button, tap on it and just wait, okay? Once it's done updating, go ahead and tap on open. Now go to your profile right here. Tap on the three horizontal lines. Now go ahead and log out at the very bottom and just log back in. Once that's done, you're gonna go ahead and try to follow and everything should work perfectly fine now. Now what if that still won't work? Well, I would like for you to know that Instagram right here generally limits 150 follows per day. And it's recommended to pace these actions at around 10 per hour to avoid triggering Instagram's anti-spam measures. Now let's say for example that you haven't followed anyone yet today and you're having the error or the issue, okay? So if you have a VPN enabled, go ahead and disable it. And after that, go ahead and check your Instagram profile. If it's restricted, okay? You can hop into your account center right here. Check your profile if it's restricted or not. If it's restricted, well, you can't follow, okay? You'll have to wait until it's unrestricted, okay? So another option, you could go ahead and check if the person blocked you, okay? So if that's the case, well, you won't be able to follow them. If you want to know how to check, well, you can go ahead and use another account or ask your friend to check the person's profile if they're blocked or not. And that is it. That is how you fix Instagram if you can't follow. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.